Hey guys, what's up? So, if you want to join this AI mermaid filter trend and you don't have the filter in your region, then what you can do, you can use CapCut. So, if you don't have CapCut, you can go to your Play Store or App Store and download this app. And once you have this app, what you can do, simply you need the template. So, you can visit my profile. In my profile, you will see a playlist. It's a CapCut template. Just tap there. Okay, the first video. This is the video. On the bottom left corner of the video, you will see the template, CapCut template. Try this template, just put there. Okay, now in this page, I want use template in CapCut. Wait for it. Okay, now I want use AI template on the bottom of the screen. Okay, now I need to browse the picture from my camera roll. Okay, let's go with this one and hit next. Okay, and done. Now you can tap on export and you can share it to your TikTok. So that's it, guys. Likewise, you can join this AI mermaid trend on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.